Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am back with another exciting video, well, at least for me, because I will be opening my Nailboxy box that I get monthly from Nailboxy. This happens to be my May box that I received from them just recently, so I'm excited about that, and I'm excited to show you guys what's inside this box. As you may or may not know, I do have a subscription with them. So I get a monthly box for $29.99, and if you are interested, I suggest you go check them out. I think it's worth it. You get 5 to 10 products to test out, and I mean, who doesn't like new nail products, right? So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. And we're gonna be very careful here. And I do believe for their May box, they have a new redesigned box, which I'm excited to see and share with you guys. So we'll see what the new box looks like. Here we go. You guys ready? Let's take a peek. Oops, I have it upside down. All right, let's flip it around. And here we go. But actually, it's not the new box. I think that might be the June. I may have that wrong. So it's still their same box for the May one. They still have the chrome or the gold lettering, pink with the marble. I still love the box. So let's see what's inside. All right. So let's open this bad boy up. And first thing I see is this Charme gel card with a lot of color hearts. It says 76 brilliant gel colors with more to come. And it's from Daily Charme, and it looks like you can take 20% off your next order. Use code Nailboxy20. And it's valid through July 31st of this year. So you can go ahead and check them out if you like. And then next card is Luminary Nail Systems. So it gives you the application of the products, how to apply them, how to prep. So basically how to use their products. So this is helpful. Here's the card again. And let's see what we have. Oh, okay, so I'm liking everything so far, you guys. So first we have here is a nail file. It's super cute, gold glitter, very shiny, and it's a glitter nail file. And I happen to have the gold one, but you can either, it looks like you also have, it would be a pink one too. I just happen to get the gold, which I don't mind. So that's cute. Next one, okay, so I'm gonna try to pronounce this. We got Swarovski's. How did I do, guys? Did I pronounce that right this time? So we got Swarovski's, and it looks like it's, let's see what it is. This is the Flame Crystal AB, 10 pieces. So, I mean, who doesn't like Swarovski's, right? So it's 10 pieces of flame, and always very shiny. So that's cool. I'm starting to build up my Swarovski collection because of my Nailboxys, because I personally haven't bought any. So kudos to Nailboxy, thank you so much. The next one, let's see. We got the Daily Charme pack. So it looks like it's a little diamond. And I'm not sure what this other one is. I can't really see it. So it's just 2 little charms. Let's see if I can try to open it here. Oh, okay. I just don't want to drop them and lose them because they're so cute. Ah. I personally haven't used any charms on nails, but I mean, I guess I can start, right? So we got this one. And then we got the little diamond. So those are the two little charms it comes with. And again, that's from Daily Charme. All right, moving on. Let's see what this is. This is the Daily Charme Stay Put Jelly Gem Gel. So that's what that is. This is for your rhinestones. It's a black little tube. Let's go ahead and open this up. I like the packaging. I got hearts, diamonds, seashells, a unicorn. I can open this up. All right, so like I said, it's a jewelry gel in a tube from Daily Charme. It's 5 ml. And I never used this before, so I will need to look up how to apply it and if I need to cure it. So this is what the other product is. It's a good amount of products in this box. Again, you guys, Nailboxy never disappoints. I'm always excited to open their boxes because you never know what you're gonna get. When they post stuff that's gonna come in the box, I try to avoid it because I don't want to know. I want to be like really surprised. And then here we have what is this called? Luminary Nail Systems Base and Color, Base Plus Color. So let's see what this is. Oh, look at this. This is a very pretty color. Again, and I like, this is, if you haven't noticed, I like, oh, I can't think of it, rose gold. As you can see, my wedding band is rose gold. So I'm loving this top, you guys. And this color too, a very pink nude color. I love it. So again, this is Luminary Nail Systems, and I'm gonna have to look up how to use it. And it's 10 ml, UV and LED. You can use that. So that's really cute. And then next we have the pink crystal fan brush, and I love it. I mean, I'm not a pink kind of girl, I'm more of a purple kind of girl, but this is just too cute. So it has the little crystals inside. You see the little pink crystals, the handle with the chrome, and look at this fan, you guys, all different type of colors. I mean, it has a little bit of purple in there, so I mean, I'm sold. So this is, yes, this is really cute. I love it. So let's try to pop this back in here so we can move on to the next one. And then this is Red Iguana Marble Foil sheet. So Red Iguana got marble foil up in here. Let's try to open this. So I love me some nail foil, especially now that I found a glue that I love. And I'm gonna leave it up in the cards of a video that I did using nail foil. It's a really pretty set that it turned out. So I'll leave it up in the cards for you guys. But yes, look at this. Super cute. I'm gonna have to use this one. But the transfer foil glue that I use is Star Glue. Someone recommended it to me, and it works awesome. I love it. And I don't know if I said what it's called, but it's called Star Glue, and I got it from eBay. So you guys have to try that out if you guys haven't yet. So again, this is the Red Iguana Marble Foil sheet. Awesome. The next one and the very last one is, this one was kind of open, but it's okay because it's sealed. And again, I'm loving the rose gold. I love it. This is Luminary Nail Systems. It says Peace. Let's see what this is. So I'm not sure exactly what this is. Yes, I'm not sure exactly what this is, so we'll have to look into that. But yeah, guys, this is all the products that we have. Alright guys, so that's it for this May box. Let me know what you guys think about the products. Some of the products I'm not familiar with, but that's okay. So let's see what it comes with. I'm gonna go down the list of what it comes with, and you guys let me know if you like, if it's worth the box. I mean, to me it is, because again, I get to test out new products every month, so I mean, I'm not complaining. But that was super cute. And we got the charms, the gold file, the Swarovski, or however you guys want to pronounce it. This 20% off your order. So I thought that was cool. All right, so in this box, again, we have one Luminary Nail Systems Multi-Flex Gel, 10 ml bottle. Second product is a one Luminary Nail System, 5 grams, jar matching color. We have a Daily Charme Stay Put Jelly Gem Gel, the Daily Charme Pack, the Red Iguana Marble Foil Sheet, Swarovski Flame Crystals AB, 10 pieces, pink crystal fan brush, and then we have a glitter nail file, pink or gold. I happen to get the gold one. And then a coupon code and tutorial card from the Luminary coupon code from Daily Charme. Okay, so that's what this is. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this box for the month of May from Nailboxy. And again, if you guys are interested, just go follow them on IG, Nailboxy, and check out their boxes. You don't even have to subscribe. You can just pay for the box of the month that you like. That's if it hasn't already been sold out. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the products in this box. Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.